imagine this one should be rotted. That one might be okay. At least you got some.
Yeah, we got like
Some is better than none, but
but they were babies. They were tiny.
we're gonna have the same issue with this one apparently.
Yeah, I see the top is like weird. Look at the sides though. You can...
Ooh.
no.
Hey,
Gentle,
don't fight
gentle,
over it.
gentle. Okay, we'll just break it apart until we see one. It's the mushy one.
Just look for stuff that's purple.
Here, I'm gonna take this half. You hold on to that half, and we're gonna gently pry it.
Ew.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Oh, there's one really.
Mushy one.
That's okay.
It's really disgusting. Is that almost all of the potatoes?
Well,
Oh, there's probably the biggest one in here in this patch. You have any more?
teeny little one.
Well, only a couple out of that one. That's
But at least they weren't all mushy.
at least they weren't all mushy.